The Defense Acquisition Council has approved capital acquisition proposals worth 2.23 lakh crore, significantly bolstering India's defense capabilities. Emphasizing self-reliance, 98% of the equipment will be sourced from domestic industries, promoting India's defense manufacturing sector. Key acquisitions include light combat helicopters, light combat aircraft Mk-1A, medium-range anti-ship missiles, and towed gun system. Hyderabad-based Vector, Technics, has unveiled their revolutionary 140 Series 80 kV BLDC motor, delivering an unprecedented 30 kg of thrust with a 40 inches propeller. This breakthrough motor is poised to transform UAV propulsion, enabling heavier payloads, higher altitudes, and extended flight times. Pre-orders are now open for this industry-defining technology. India's maiden X-ray polarimeter satellite, XPoSat, set for launch in December 2023, will delve into the mysteries of the universe, shedding light on the polarization of intense X-ray sources and fundamental physical processes. The mission's insights into black holes, neutron stars, and supernova remnants will revolutionize our cosmic understanding. India's space agency, the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is exploring potential collaborations with Boeing Company, Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin LLC, and Voyager Space Holdings Inc. These partnerships could involve Indian commercial entities and focus on various aspects of space exploration, including crewed missions, space station development, and small satellite launches. BHEL, a heavy electrical equipment manufacturer from India, has signed a memorandum of cooperation with EDF, a French state-owned nuclear energy company. This collaboration aims to maximize the local content of the Jaitapur nuclear power plant project, a 6 by 1,650 MWE light water reactor power plant that will provide electricity to 70 million households. Additionally, both companies will explore further collaborations for European pressurized reactors, EPRs, and NUWARD small modular reactors, SMRs. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson visited ISRO headquarters in India, meeting with Chairman S. Somanath and the ISRO community. He inspected the NISAR satellite and lauded India's achievements, including Chandrayaan-3 and the upcoming Gaganyaan mission. Both agencies discussed potential further collaboration beyond NISAR. Spain's Navantia bids for Indian Navy's 4 landing platform docks, LPDs, and 6 P-75I submarines, partnering with L&T. They also seek Indian partners for wind turbine and renewable energy projects globally. Navantia's S-80 submarine design and latest propulsion technology make it competitive for the P-75I program.